Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and maintenance of your floor-standing vertical cutter mixers. This video is suitable for R23 to R60 and for Blixer 23 to Blixer 60. Before handling the machine, make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. To clean your machine, you need to dismantle all parts. To begin, open the lid. Remove the blade. Remove the bowl. Remove the scraper arm. Remove the seal lid. Remove the plastic cone. Remove the lid. Remove the lid rest. All the parts can be washed by hands or in the dishwasher. Blade disassembly. Wear gloves because the blades are extremely sharp. Install the blade remover on the motor shaft. Install the blade above it. Position the back of the blade against the blade lock. Use the small size of the blade dismantling wrench. Unscrew the nut. Remove the spacer. Remove the first blade. Remove the spacers. Remove the second blade. Remove the blade shaft. Remove the blade remover. The blade assembly can be washed by hands or in the dishwasher. To replace the blade, simply do the same in reverse. Refer to the blade assembly video, cleaning the machine. Clean the control panel and the motor base. Dry with a clean cloth. Maintenance of the motor seal. Remove the seal gently with a screwdriver to clean it. Install the motor seal. The rounded edge must be above. Installing the lid seal after the cleaning. Place the lid on the bowl. Install the seal in the lid. Check that the seal is properly seated. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please make sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual. Watch next chapter for Air Vac Vacuum Kit.